Autumn here. I hope you enjoyed that B-roll sequence. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new around here and you like to whine and DIY like I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And since I like to whine and DIY, I've decided to combine my two interests and become a wine consultant for Scout and Cellar. So let's open a bottle of wine and give it a taste. So tonight we're gonna open up the Chardonnay. I like to keep the corks. So I'm gonna give this wine a taste and let you know what I think of it. But I do wanna let you guys know a little background about wine. I used to be one of those people that just kind of go in the store, the bottle looks pretty, and pick out the glass of wine and try it. But now I'm starting to learn a little bit more about wine and try to understand it and what is actually going into my wine. So that's another reason I went with Scout and Cellar, because all of their wine is clean crafted. So let's give this a taste and then let you know what it tastes like. So this being one of my first Chardonnays, because usually I drink a Riesling. It's drier than a Riesling, definitely. And it tastes really good. The aroma is really strong. Like I said, it's really dry. But other than that, I do enjoy this Chardonnay, and I can't wait to try some others in the future. Now that we've had our wine, I hope you guys would check out my next DIY. I'm going to DIY a jewelry display, and that's gonna come out on Sunday. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you join me on my journey to learning more about wine. If you have any suggestions or any tips, then make sure to leave a comment below. Also, if you wanna try out some of this wine, I'm gonna put the link down in the description below. Thanks for watching, bye!